Well, it's December 25th, 2024. We had the opening of the gifts. We've had watched a movie, had some snacks, waiting on the ham cook, and we'll have our nice Christmas feast. Tomatoes are doing pretty good. We've already picked a few of those for the salad and everything. Some San Marzanos going in here. And we got a few of the yellow pears. And over here, we've got the ham cooking. Pulled out and put it into the solar cooker. So I'll let that get going there and be ready. Only thought we had only one orange. Now, of course, this is the time of year when they start to change, and we can see them. So there's actually 3 in here, which is pretty darn amazing since we only thought there was 1. The only oranges we're getting this year, so hey, 3, I'll take it. And over here we've got in the elevated planters. Oh, we got tomato over here. We got some onions. I think they're about ready to get pulled. We got some more pea pods here. Those are going to get picked for dinner tonight. I'm going to have some sauteed or steamed. Probably have steamed. We got a few green beans left. Still going. Sierra pulled one of the carrots, and it wasn't really big, but it was pretty long, so probably let them go a little bit longer. Oh, got some more flowers going here. We put out a seed feeder along with some hummingbird feeders, and the birds have been having a good old time there. I planted some herbs starts into the tower garden, so they're starting to pick up speed here. Maybe a little bit longer on those. Not much going on over here. The pond is doing good. Yeah, I'll be able to see the fish. The sunlight's coming at an angle that makes it difficult. Wish that this guy had some oranges, but have to see what we can do. Hi, Musette. Enjoying it. Probably have some amaryllis blooming pretty soon. Although they bloomed a couple months ago, so I don't know. The asparagus bed needs to be trimmed now. Has to be chopped back. So everything will be ready for when we get the new asparaguses coming up in March and April. Got some seeds going on there. Over here, the dragon fruits are going insane. This is going to be just one project to get taken care of. And eggplants are doing pretty good. They got flowers all over the place, and we got some fruit there. And I think we got a big one. Yeah, I got that one's ready. Actually, that's ready to go. So they're doing things. Pear tree and the peach tree hanging in there. Lemon tree is kind of looking like Charlie Brown Christmas tree, but with a lemon. Everything else is hanging in there. Celery's doing okay. We haven't planted anything in these beds yet, so not surprised that we're not getting much over here yet. We did plant some golden zucchini over on the other side and planter, and planted some potatoes over here, but I'm not sure we're going to get much out of these guys. Maybe they need some more sunlight. But that's where we are. I'm just waiting for the ham to get done, and then we're going to have dinner. Saw that the end cap was missing, and there's some nesting material, what looked like nesting material there, so thought maybe a bird was going in here and making a nest. Got up here to look, and what it really is just a whole bunch of old wasp nests all the way down the tube. I guess I'm gonna have to clean them out. Oh, it's Christmas evening, 2024. And here's what our decorations look like this year. As usual, it's pretty much about the same, but we've got a few new things in here. Got some new little solar powered Christmas trees. First time in a long time I put out stuff out on the Palo Verde. A lot of neighbors are doing decorating this year, which is really cool. It's been a while since we've had so many people decorating on the street. A few of the old metal ones. Yeah, I hear you, girly. And the gnome with the lights on it's new. Yeah. I'll be getting you dinner pretty soon, okay? And put another projector out here. So, we didn't do a lot of decorating this year, but I did want to get something done outside. That's probably where most of my energy went into. It's nice.